Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to save current session on Firefox. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to another browser and download the Firefox browser, as it does not come with Windows. But now let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the middle of the screen, as you can see, we have the search box, and we have it in the top side of the screen also. You can add shortcuts here, and in the top right corner, we have the three lines where you can go and check out all the different settings. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and save current session on Firefox. Saving your current session in Firefox can be very useful, especially if you want to resume your work exactly where you left off. So basically, you can click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select settings. So click here, then click on settings, which is in the bottom. Then in the left sidebar, click on general. So it is the first tab. Under the startup section, select restore previous section. So here, as you can see, you have it. Then when you're in the here, this will automatically restore your session every time you open Firefox. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.